persevere like the apostles' hope in Christ, even in chains. Acts 28 verse 20. So for this reason, I have called to see you and speak with you. It is because of the hope of Israel that I am bound with this chain. My brothers and sisters, the apostles faced trials and tribulations, yet remained steadfast in their faith. I pray, just as they hoped in Christ even in chains, may we also fix our eyes on Him, knowing that He is our steadfast source of strength and hope. In Acts 28 verse 20, the Apostle Paul expressed his purpose for visiting and speaking to the people, explaining that it was because of the hope of Israel that he was bound with chains. Despite his circumstances, Paul's focus remained on Christ, the very foundation of his hope. Today, because of our allegiance to Christ, we too may find ourselves confronted with various forms of chains. They may be physical, emotional, or spiritual threats and hardships. Regardless, may we be encouraged that our hope lies not in our circumstances, but in our sovereign, immovable, and never-changing God. When we persevere like the apostles, we demonstrate an unwavering trust in Christ. We choose to place our hope in Him, knowing that He is faithful to fulfill His promises. He alone is able to break all of life's chains and bring freedom and deliverance by the redemptive power of His perfect sacrifice on the cross. So, dear friends, let us stand firm in our faith. Even when chains seek to bind us, let us look unto Christ, our hope and strength, knowing that there's no power on earth strong enough to overcome Him, the victorious King who reigns forever. May we be encouraged by the example of the apostles who endured hardships for the sake of the gospel. Let's be bold in sharing the very power of God unto salvation, knowing that it will accomplish the very purpose for which He has sent it. The road ahead may be rocky, thorny, or difficult. Nevertheless, let's persevere. He has promised, "They shall not be put to shame who wait and hope expectantly for me."